I want to demonstrate the different types of glass that you could get in your windows. Now this is just regular glass. This is what 95% of the windows come with, and I'm going to show you how it breaks. And see, that's it. That's just regular glass. It breaks into sharp pieces, and that's what we've been using in windows for the last 1,000 years, and it's fine. I mean, that's, just for your regular areas in your house, this is a fine piece of glass to use. Now, this is my favorite glass. This is the same type of glass that if you live in a hurricane area, this is the kind of glass they put in here. And this is a laminate glass. And you can see I just hit that with the hammer. Now, the glass is designed to shatter, but it will hold together to prevent intrusion. Want to try it, Todd? All right, easy. Let's go. Here, you want to try again? Go ahead.
One more time.
That's pretty nuts, huh?
That was fun.
Not all glass is created equal. Finally broke through.